The what? I'm gonna be your assistant.
So introduce yourselves.
Hi, I'm Yoshi Hisano, and this is
Stephanie Santos.
Fernando Fraga. I'm Arjun.
And what are your areas?
I'm a mechanical engineering major, hoping to transfer.
I'm just in civil engineering right now. I might change, but I'm undecided.
Okay, so you haven't decided yet where you...
Yeah. This is like my first semester really. So.
Yeah.
I'm doing general engineering, and I want to transfer for chemical engineering.
Chemical engineering.
I'm mechanical engineering, and I plan on transferring to UMass Lowell next year.
Alright, so let's go.
Alright, so this is our color sorting ping pong ball project.
See what's going on.
So just right now in the beginning, we're just setting the stepper motor that we have equal to 0 degrees, just so we have a consistent start every time.
So every time would it go to 0 or would it change?
Every time that you start the program or restart the program, it'll go back to 0 to get consistent.
Okay.
Oh, right, yeah. Now that we're ready, we'll hit enter. And this is the display of the picture that our webcam took. And for accuracy, we have it taking the middle 30 pixels. Just because that's also just the clearest spot, like color-wise.
So is that a blue holder?
Yeah.
So you have
this
written
is
blue
labeled,
on top, okay?
right? This tube is labeled B, and then it's subs. Go ahead. And then we'll drop the ball in.
Sure.
And it says over there the ball is blue. Or it's not red or green, the ball is blue.
Okay.
Right. And then now that we're ready, we'll hit enter to continue.
So it goes back to 0 now again?
Actually, right, yes, it will go back to 0.
Okay.
Okay. And then now we get this prompt to restart the program. We'll hit yes. And it's ready now, so we'll hit enter again. And this is the shot it took. So the ball is red, and now we'll drop the red ball into the slot. Nice. It's in, so we'll hit enter to continue.
Goes to 45 degrees.
And just one of the instructions asks that it goes to 45 degrees on the dial.
So you have a little menu thing done to there to kind of to run the program or not? Okay, very good.
So
this is something you added, right?
Yeah,
On top of,
because you know what to do next, so
Yeah.
you ask the user to,
Very good.
if you wanted to continue or not.
now we read the next ball, which is green.
So where did you find that menu thing, command?
The menu command, I can show the programming for that, is simply a menu function.
Sure.
And a yes value would allow it to continue, and then the no value would
Okay.
end the program.
Okay.
Okay. And we could do it for the white as well if you like.
Okay.
The white is a little tricky depending on the lighting. It may show different colors, but we were able to get a value for the brightness and the saturation to where we would much more consistently be able to get white. So we'll try that now.
So it's taking a picture right now?
Right, so the picture that we got of the ping pong ball looks like this.
Okay.
And so it doesn't look exactly white.
The last ball.
But it was red as white.
But
It was here, but
It wanted to go in that.
it moved.
Yeah. Okay, very good. So what was the harder part in what you did?
I think for the guys it was to figure out the blue and the white one. It was the hardest part to do.
Okay, and why do you think is the blue, why blue was harder? I know why the white is harder, I mean, but why the blue is harder, do you think?
actually, the blue and the white one had issues because we had to get the stepper motor to go to 270 degrees and 180 degrees, and those those locations they don't have sensors at that location, and so we just had to send the motor to those positions without the sensors. And the motor was having problems with being consistent for each steps.
Okay.
And so we had to change the program and add another for loop within the regular movement command to be able to make that consistent. And luckily, that one change worked.
Another issue we had also in the beginning that we spent like the whole class was figuring out like the quality of the image, because you couldn't get it was very like blurry, so it was reading like the red was reading blue, the white was like all messed up the colors.
So you mean even after you change the color space to the red, green, and blue, even after
the
that?
quality of the picture.
Okay.
So we just was a matter
So it was
of
nothing to do
switching
with the color
order of
space.
the command for it to take the picture. Just one switch, and we got it right. Just switching the order at the beginning of the program.
And so where do you think you can use this type of programming?
It seems like in any kind of robotics.
Manufacturing, like parts that need assorting parts by color.
By color or
by size, by any kind of.
I mean, if you just use the stepper motor, you could do not just the color, without the color identification, you can sort things differently.
Also, you can use this in automation, manufacturing.
All right, very good.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.